Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today we are diving into the world of spread ombre cake toppings, a modern way to make your cake look like a gradient masterpiece. Soft, blended colors, airbrushed magic. Let's get started. What is an ombre cake topper? An ombre cake topper features blended color transitions, usually sprayed with an airbrush for a smooth fade effect. It can go from light to dark, pastel to bold, or mix multiple hues, all for a stunning finish. The first one is pink to white romantic ombre cake, perfect for wedding and anniversaries. This pink to white ombre is soft, sweet, and elegant. The next is yellow to orange sunset spray. Bring in warm sunset vibes with this citrusy fade, great for summer parties and tropical themes. The next is midnight blue to purple galaxy fade. Add drama with deep blue and violet shades finished with edible glitter or stars, giving that galaxy cake look. The next is this soft pastel rainbow ombre cake. This soft rainbow spray is perfect for baby showers, bento cakes, and fairy tales themes. Light, delicate, and dreamy. The next is black and silver ombre for luxury vibes. Create a luxury look with bold black to metallic ombre. Add gold leaf or pearls for extra elegance. The next is purple to lilac romantic ombre. This is a royal choice for engagement cakes or themed birthdays. Bold at the base, gentle at the top. The next is mint to aqua gold fade. Mint and aqua are refreshing, modern, and calming, perfect for spring or minimalist cakes. The next is red to gold fairy ombre cake. Make a bold statement with fairy ombre spray. Great for celebrations like New Year's or bold wedding themes. The next is ombre with metallic dust. Level it up with metallic dust overlays, gold, rose, or silver shimmer sprayed after the base color. The next and the least is mini ombre cake toppers. You can use ombre spray technique or mini cakes or cupcakes too. It adds a soft and professional touch to gift cakes. Use an airbrush gun for smooth blending. Spray in light layers for control. Start from darkest point moving toward light. Chill your cake before spraying to avoid melting colors. The next is which ombre spray style was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any inspiration from Cakes Factory. Ombre is not just a flower or a technique. Sharing your love to others, sharing your feelings to others. It's a way of acting or behaving beautifully. And cakes are a way to share your love, your feelings to your loved ones. You never bake a cake for your class fellow or the you don't know. You always bake and make efforts for those who is very special for you, who is loved by you, and who is a very special person. So you bake a cake for them. If they were not, you couldn't bake a cake for them because you don't have feelings. So it's a way of sharing your feelings to others, sharing your efforts, showing your love for them. So bake a cake which you like the most, take a screenshot of it and bake for your special person, or send to your baker to make a cake for you, for your special person, or for your next event, to make your special event more special. Because every bite, every slice of cake is a way of sharing feelings and love to others. So, always be positive and happy. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.